Are you interested, I guess, in making a difference in this world? Are you interested in addressing those emerging, very complex problems that we will have to overcome in the future in terms of our energy needs, our food needs, our waste, the way in which we deal with wastes? Do you see yourself working in new forms of energy? Or I guess a whole range of products that in the future we don't even know what we need yet, but with this in hand, you'll be able to apply what we learn to a whole host of those new challenges.
I think that if you're interested in your STEM subjects currently, then continue doing them and get involved. From race cars to planes to rockets, the opportunities are endless. And especially the aerospace industry, it's only just getting started. You can shape what the future for that is going to look like by taking this career path. And I think that's really exciting.
I'd say don't rule out anything when you start uni. So I was almost put off the software side because I'd never done coding, but I've surprised myself now. I've caught up to them, and I think you can't compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 4.
That's true, and it's rewarding when you do that catch up as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd say just don't rule out anything. You'll find you could end up in a different pathway than you expected.
Main piece of advice is to try and do a little bit of research about all the potential options that are available to you. I'm still finding new careers that people are pursuing, new areas of expertise that people are working in, which are really exciting. Everything from climate change, wind modelling, sustainable materials. There's an amazing breadth of areas where people can work with this degree.
I think one of the things I'd say is talk to people who are already at uni, and if you go to open days and things like that, talk to student volunteers. So one of the things I remember from before I started uni was talking to some people who did UQ racing, and we had a really good chat, and that was basically one of the deciding factors of going electrical as opposed to software.
To determine if you're interested in the degree, to really look at the courses that the degree has to offer that's on the course lists, and look at the research projects that's available at the university, and explore all the opportunities that are available to you, because you can get through this degree just doing the coursework and doing completing all the assignments. But if you really take the initiative to go out and do some research projects and engage with lecturers and tutors and PhD students, then you'll really get the full benefit out of this degree rather than just passing and coming out with a certificate at the end.